Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Let's see. So, just another afternoon of Facebook Live. How's everyone doing? Have you had your lunch? If you're watching the recording, you can just move forward to the next few minutes. If you're watching now, please say hi, so I know that you are on board. Hi Taiho, hi Fazli, hi Sharon. How are you guys? Have you had your lunch, your kopi yet? I only just finished my lunch. Oops. Sorry, technical fault. Okay, hope you guys can still see me. Salam. So today, I'm quite excited because I just got this delivered just today. As you can see here, it's AgeLOC Boost. So I can't wait to I can't wait to share. I can't wait to share this unboxing. I thought I wanted to go back home and do it, but I just received it, so I just wanted to share with everyone because I'm just so excited to receive this. This is something very special. Yes, it's a very nice paper bag. So it's something very special. It's got the AgeLOC Boost, and why I'm so excited about this? Basically, it's a first of all, it's a new revolutionary product. Okay, that's one, and it's really in very limited supply right now because it's only a preview, so only selected people can get to use this first. So I'm just feel very excited. I feel very blessed to be able to be one of the first few to use it in the world. Yeah. So this device will only be officially launched next year, and there's another round of preview happening in December for those of you who may be interested, right? But right now this is very exclusive, so it's very precious. And this is a beauty device that is designed by the people who are the world's number one brand in beauty device. So the world's number one beauty device brand. So obviously when they come up with a new beauty device, right? So I'm very excited. So it comes in a nice paper bag called AgeLOC Boost. So are you guys ready for me to unbox this thing? Because I only get unbox once, right? So I wanted to share this with all of you. So just excited. It's like receiving a toy. So it's like my toy. Okay, come. Let's take a look what's inside our AgeLOC Boost. Okay. And it's also designed to be in a smaller packaging, just to let you know, because recently this company, New Skin, has won the Sustainability Award company in 2020. So they have minimized all packaging to be as little impact as possible to the environment. So they have minimized the packaging to be very slim, and most of the packaging to be recoverable, reusable, recyclable, and refillable. And so let's open it up. Look at that. Gorgeous. Can you see? Right? Okay, so must careful, don't drop it. Don't get too excited and drop it. So inside you have the device itself, the AgeLOC Boost. And salam Kak Zara, welcome. And I want to show you how amazing this is. Okay, so inside the box you have the device, okay, and and it has oh, it comes inside the box. You have the manual. Okay, very slim, simple manual, and it has the wireless charger. So it uses a wireless charger. It's connected to USB, so it's wireless. So it charges just like the Apple Watch. So I think you just put it there and it will charge. And there's actually a cover. It's like a cute little silicone cover for the head of the Boost. So yeah, I think that's it. That's all inside the box. So that's the other stuff. So let's go into the main event. Okay. So there you go. This is my very own AgeLOC Boost. And as you can see, yeah, it's very cool, right? It is so small, it is literally smaller than my palm. So small, it's very handy, very handy. And I think I can put in my pocket. Yeah, you can see, put in my pocket. Yeah. So it's very handy. And so the purpose that why is so handy is that you can have a boost on your skin anytime of the day, literally, because sometimes maybe we just had a morning workout, or sometimes you just feel a bit tired in the afternoon, or you gotta go for an event or a date or even a Zoom call. You just need a quick boost, right? But what's the boost that you get? Basically, Waalaikumsalam. Thanks for watching. So basically this one gives you that what do you call that? Gives you whitening, so it's fairer. It also gives you the plumping effect, because young skin is plump, and the buoyancy effect. Okay, and what is it? Do you guys want me to show you how to use it? If you want me to show you, you can please comment yes while I show you the cream. So basically this device will have to be used with the activating treatment, which also comes with the shipment. Okay, so let's open the activating treatment. So do you guys want me to show you how to use the boost, or at least show you the instant benefits? Okay, Sadia say yes, Fazli say yes. So I'm just opening up the activating treatment. Salam Cik Mazlan. Sharon say yes. Wah, Kak Zara also say yes. Okay, so inside the box you have the activating treatment. So yep. Oh, so I also say yes. Nana say yes. Why Sharon say yes again twice? Okay, so that's how it looks like, the activating treatment. It's like a shiny greenish kind of appearance. Okay. Before I use the demo, let me check whether this device has battery. And how to check is she's ready to do what she do with me. Okay, so wow. I don't know, I just love this. I'm just such a geek. So to switch it on, you just swipe it. Okay. So it's very hip. It's very modern. I'm sorry, I'm just too excited. Okay. So basically, to switch on, you turn on, and then you apply 3 pumps on the head, right? 2, 3. Okay. First of all, you spread it out first. So you spread out first before you start the treatment, just so that you get it all even out. So the treatment is just 1 minute. Just 1 minute, on one side, on each side. Okay, so it's a very simple boost. Even if you have makeup on, you can still do it. Okay, so to start, same thing, swipe up. Okay, and then it's like, and it's vibrating. So the device is actually vibrating. I don't feel it vibrating on my head. Yes, Nana, you can join. I don't feel it vibrating on the head, but the device is vibrating to show that it's working. So just move it around. So whichever, so you just move in the upward motion. You want to plump up plump up your skin. So I don't feel anything. I don't feel any currents. I don't feel no pain, no vibration. It's just a very gentle vibration. And once it's done, it will vibrate. Yeah, it has a stronger vibration. Yes, Mel, you before, I don't know whether you join, just join. So before, okay, Nana, later I will message you how to join, how to register. Right after this live, okay? So hold on. So this one, this is the cream. You apply three pumps. Mel, you apply 3 pumps. This cream comes with the set. So Mel, you will get your set soon. So it comes with 3 pumps, and then you can start. Mira, tak cukup. Must always our everyday we are aging, so you must always plump up. So after you finish the treatment, you just massage the remaining cream inside. Okay, and even if you have makeup on, it's still okay. And this thing will be absorbed very well. Mariam, dah dapat belum? Have you gotten your boost? So, yeah, Kak Oji, naturally our skin set cause of gravity, so we must keep on plumping it. So you guys can see. You want to so can you see just one side? So can you see after just one application? Can you see the face? It looks different. And it's brighter. And it's firmer and flatter. And it's bouncier. And it's just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. I mean, how busy can we be, right? Oh my god, my eyebrow is lifted. I become Zena Zain already. Oh my god, that's so creepy. So Mira, if you want to use with makeup, make sure your makeup is not the smudge type. Make sure it's a good quality makeup. And also, if you continue using quality skincare, when you apply natural makeup or even new skin makeup, it doesn't smudge. Yeah, and no need to wash. Oh, my eyebrow is so it's instantly firm up, fairer, brighter, and I'm so gonna love it. So no need, so you don't need like Botox, you don't need like laser treatment, and you just do this anytime. So you can yes, Mira, can you see my eyebrow? I'm not even making it because I can't do this normally. Yeah, so and there's no limit. You can boost your skin as many times as often as possible, and it's just so small, just like this. And then if you bring the device, I mean the treatment is also just like that, very small. And make sure you have to clean the treatment. I'm just gonna use half my face so that is more obvious. Okay, so definitely cheaper than going for aesthetic treatments or Botox or what have you. At the same time, you can have this treatment anytime, anywhere. Because sometimes you just need that instant boost before you have some activity, right? Yeah, Mira, I'm going to do one side only. So when people ask me how come, what happened, I say I use boost because I have my boost. So it's really amazing. I'm so excited I got my boost. Yeah, so yeah, I think this the end of my unboxing, and I will share more with you guys later when I get more results or get more info about this product. But basically, the next order will only be in December. Hi Dewi, welcome. I already finished, so you can see my Zenazine kening because I only did on one side. My eyebrow is lifted. So and yeah lah, the whole thing is firm up lah. So Dewi joined just at the end. So beautiful. It's so handy, and it's gonna not just amazing product, but it's like it's a revolution, and it's gonna be a huge business opportunity because anyone can do this, and anyone can start a business at the same time. And the demand for beauty device is really growing, whether it's men, women, around the world. Okay, so definitely if you're interested to get a device or interested in the business, so you can contact me, message me, or message the person who share with you this video. Okay, so thank you again. I'll share with you again with more of my boosted face, and I'll so happy to have my boost now, and I just can't wait to share with as many people as possible. Alright, thank you again guys for watching, and I see you guys again soon. Bye.